What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Skibidi toilet. Skibidi bop bop. So this is the large armored Drillman mysterious figure. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Big chest of armor, shoulder pads. Right, so let's give this a go. So where to begin? Okay, so we'll go. Tricky enough. His head position. So we'll go. We will go around. So he's got like a pointy drill bit. We'll do the pointy bit first. So we got like the point of his sort of head, which is a drill, like right here, right? It's kind of like a pyramid, and he's kind of like looking down. Okay. So then we have the spiral drill lines and the bottom of the head. So see, we'll go like for the bottom all the way around to the top first. So like our top of the head is here, right? And this will like curve. Right. All the way down around like his, what you would call his chin, but as I know it's not really a chin, but it just goes down and up to there, right? So it's kind of like a circle, but it's not like a perfect circle. So then we have the spiral of the sort of drill coming around then. Coming around like his chin and stuff. And these will start to sort of disappear around underneath here. And they're kind of like double lines, so they're like a double sort of drill line. And we just keep sort of going around and around and around and around and around and around. Right, and these will have sort of lines in between them as well. So it's like the back. I'm just trying to tidy up some of these now. So it's basically spirals and lines going around like that. And then the head has a little sort of box in it here. And then there's like some lines like in between all this. edge line or something in here. It's kind of shadowy under here anyway, so I can darken it up a bit. Right, so you're basically looking for that sort of spiral shape. Not easy. Maybe there should be an extra little. Like that. Right, so then we have like some boxes sort of on the side here. And then they go down like this. And then we come across his head. And then same on the other side, I think. So we go up, across, down, into there. Now remember, if I go too fast, hit that pause button, okay? Because this guy's head is probably the hardest part, actually, because of those spiral sort of lines. And then this goes in that way. There's a section there. And then there's something here as well, like a cap or something. I'm not sure what that is. It like goes up and then curves around. And then we have some more metal sections just here on his chin. Okay. Sorry, now you can probably hear my children in the background. Right, so then we have like the big armor plate down the middle, and then the big armor plates like on the shoulders. So the shoulder ones, say start here. We'll just get the general shapes in first, and then we'll building up all this stuff, right? So this one kind of steps up a couple of times. Like there. There's like a big step up there. It's like sharp on that end. Not sharp on this end because it disappears in behind. That goes down that way. And then there's all like sort of like rims and edge lines and stuff on all these. Okay, like edge lines there. And we'll just do the same on this side. So then he's got like just a line at the back of his neck here. And then his kind of suit jacket area comes down in here. And his armor has like a sword-like shape down the middle. There first. Then that goes down that way and that way. So then we got to build out all this armor then. Say coming down here. So it's like another line here, here, and then it goes down, up, down, and then it goes all the way down to the bottom like that then. Same thing, down, up, down, and then maybe wider on this one for some reason. Yeah, I'll go a bit wider on this. So there is another piece of armor there anyway. And then he has these little spikes that stick out here. Spikes that stick out here, right? So there's all armor inside, right? That builds up. So say on this one to there, and then this goes down to there. Same thing, I think, on this side. Just goes down and meets it in the middle. And you just keep doing this, building it up as much as you want, really. Then there's like another one in here. And then this goes down and up. Is there another one here, maybe? And then these tend to have like bolts sort of holding them on, I think. The armor's all shiny and bolted together. Loads of metal plates like that. So then I think he has like some wings or something sticking off here. So his legs like go down this way. And then he has like suit jacket tails kind of a thing. And then there's an armor spike there. I might as well do one here. Can't see one here, but should be one. And then, so basically, we'll go here first. So like his arm goes down that way and it goes into like a big glove. I guess we should have like an armpit line or something there. Do the same on this side. More or less the same anyway. So he's got like big armor on his forearms, right? Sort of massive, big Popeye arms. And there's like all these edge lines on them. So it's just like big armor. Like so. And if you want the metal, you can put like scratches on it and stuff just to texture it up to make it just a bit different from the rest, like from his suit and all that kind of stuff. It just makes everything look a bit better, I think. And as usual with the Drillman, the actual drill head is like the hardest part. Everything else is pretty straightforward. That's it. I think that's it. Missing anything? Nope. Armored Drillman. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.